Hi guys. Today we received $50 to repair this big scratch. To start, we need to first choose the right color for the car. First, we rub the mother white, which is the whitest of all colors, on the specified area with a bank card like in the video to see what other colors we need. Well, I carefully realized that our paint needs 1 drop of yellow and 1 drop of black. After mixing again, we apply the paint to the area we selected. Our paint was ready and matched the car paint perfectly. Next, we sanded the inside and around the scratch with 2500 grit sandpaper. We filled the inside of the scratch with the prepared paint using a credit card in 3 steps and dried it with an industrial hairdryer. After it dries completely, we smooth it with 2500 grit sandpaper. In the final step, we polish it to make it smooth. Don't forget to watch the before and after video at the end and subscribe to the channel.